today is September 22nd, 2025 here in the Village of Burnham, and this is the beginning of our lead replacement program here in the village. And this is a $4.2 million project that's being funded by the federal government. And in Illinois, EPA requires that this is a mandate that the homes have to be upgraded to get the lead out. And the children that's under 6 years of age are suffered with the brain damage. Why it's important to do this. This is the substitute on the Richardson.
Good morning. As the mayor said, this is our first day starting our Get the Lead Out pipe replacement, and it's going to be good for all residents in the Village of Burnham and our children.
In addition to about the lead replacement program, 216 people here in the Village of Burnham that is south of the railroad track that need to sign up. It's important that people sign up. Once this program is over, we do not know whether the funding is going to be replenished or not. So if we would do that, then we would appreciate that.